Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating topics in the world of computer science, quantum computing. Quantum computing is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform our world in ways that we cannot even imagine. In this video, we will discuss the basics of quantum computing and why it has the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, machine learning, and drug discovery. Let's start the video. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a type of computing that is fundamentally different from traditional computing. While traditional computers use bits, which can only represent either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use bits, which can exist in a superposition of both states at the same time. This means that a qubit can represent a vast number of different states simultaneously, allowing quantum computers to process information in a fundamentally different way than traditional computers. The use of qubits allows quantum computers to perform certain calculations much faster than traditional computers. For example, certain problems in chemistry, optimization, and cryptography that are computationally intensive for classical computers can be solved much more quickly by quantum computers. This is because quantum computers can take advantage of a phenomenon called entanglement, where the state of one qubit is linked to the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. However, building practical quantum computers is still a challenging task due to the delicate nature of qubits and the difficulty in maintaining their quantum states. Quantum computers are not faster than classical computers for all types of problems. They are only faster for certain types of problems that can be solved using quantum algorithms. Applications of quantum computing. One of the most promising applications of quantum computing is in the field of cryptography. Quantum computers are capable of breaking many of the encryption algorithms that are currently used to secure sensitive information, such as credit card numbers, passwords, and government secrets. This has led to the development of new quantum-resistant encryption algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers. Quantum computers can be used to analyze large amounts of data and find patterns that are difficult or impossible for classical computers to detect. This has the potential to revolutionize fields such as drug discovery, where quantum computers can be used to search for new drugs that can cure diseases such as cancer. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.